Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about foods which aid in weight loss. So many times we hear about weight management, weight loss, how to do weight loss, वजन कैसे कम करते हैं. But does anybody tell you what you should eat to make that happen? Because yes, diet is the main reason you either gain weight or lose weight apart from exercise and a healthy lifestyle. Welcome to my channel once again. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to save this video, watch it till the end because you're going to see so many health tips and in a holistic way which will help you to maintain your weight and lose excess weight if you follow these tips along with a healthy lifestyle. The first food we talk about is yogurt, whey, curd and overall all the dairy products. The whey protein which also many gym goers and bodybuilders take that helps into building the muscles but also aiding weight loss. Make sure that you are consuming these products in your daily diet and also make sure that they are free from fat, so you can consume low fat curd, yogurt, Greek yogurt and also buttermilk. It will definitely help you in your journey of weight loss. The second food or fruit which we talk about is apple. Yes, apple contains pectin, which is very important for our digestion. Also, it has got a lot of fibers and natural sugar, and also apple has many properties which boost our digestive health and make us lose excess fat. So make sure that you are consuming thoroughly washed apples. You can have them along with the peels to get more added benefits. The third food which we talk about is apple cider vinegar. Yes, how to have it early in the morning. Take a glass of water and in that add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can have some seasonings to top it for taste like cumin powder or cinnamon powder or chaat masala and drink it on empty stomach sip by sip and you see the wonders. It helps into cleaning your gut, also helps to detoxify and burn excess belly fat. The next food is lentils. Yes, lentils are a staple in Indian diet. We all like to have our dals in our meals, and yes, they are important sources of protein, but also they aid in weight loss. You should have lentils in all your meals, or at least make sure that you are having them in 2 of your meals. You can either have dals or mix lentils into your vegetables, salads, soups, in your parathas or your snacks. But make sure to include lentils, which are important source of protein and also help in weight loss. The next food is also a favorite with most of us who love eggs. Yes, we are talking about eggs. Eggs not only are an important source of proteins, vitamins, minerals, or they can be called an all-rounder food, but eggs also help us in weight loss. So make sure that eggs form an important part of your breakfast because they help to keep you satisfied throughout the day. So you can have eggs as omelette, you can have scrambled eggs, you can have boiled eggs, you can have eggs in bhurji form like a curry, but make sure that you're not using any amount of excess fat when you're cooking eggs. And also you should have them fresh. Do not eat stale eggs or eggs which have been cooked and kept for a long time. And you will notice that you have really improved upon your health and you have started your weight loss journey. So eggs are an important food in the journey of weight loss. The next food are of course again a favorite in our Indian cuisine and all of us who are weight watchers. Cucumbers. Yes, cucumbers are full of water and important minerals and fiber. We love to have our cucumbers in salads, in raitas, also in parathas. Make sure that you are eating raw cucumbers whenever you have food cravings. And you will see that instead of eating heavy snacks, if you have cucumbers or cucumber sticks as one of your snack options, you'll definitely lose your fat in a gradual amount of time and it will be a sustainable weight loss. So make sure to include cucumber in your daily diet. Another food which helps us into losing our fat is none other than our humble millets. Yes, millets have formed an important part in our ancient Indian diet. They have been consumed since ages. Lately, again, we have started knowing the importance of millets through social media, through our government's efforts. So, millets, as we all know, is also called Shri Anna. And millets, they have a large family. Millets are jowar, bajra, ragi, kodo millet, little millet, ancient millet, and the list goes on. Whatever millet is available locally in your area, you can use them in your khichdis, in your porridge, in your breakfast as daliyas. You can also make millet flours and have them in your chapatis, in your parathas, in your puris. And if you have access to millet breads, you can also have millet bread. Also, millets can be made into desserts like payasam, kheer, or they can be made into stuffed sweet rotis. So make sure that you are eating millets as a daily part of your diet, and you will see that overall your health improves, because not only millets help into weight loss, they also help you to gain more protein, more fiber, more minerals, and lot of other micronutrients. Also, they keep you full and satisfied or satiated for long, and they give us energy along with proteins and also many important antioxidants. These were some foods which help us into burning fat, because they have lot of fiber in them, they have a lot of micronutrients, and they're protein rich. And we all know that having a healthy nutritious diet really goes a long way into maintaining weight and losing excess weight. So what are you waiting for? Include these foods in your diet and see how you achieve that optimum weight. Make sure that you are exercising, make sure that you are having adequate amount of water, sleep, and also leading a healthy, happy lifestyle, keeping away stress at bay, and also making sure that you are spending enough time with family, friends, and socializing too. And the more we indulge into physical activities rather than sitting activities, gadgets, the more we start losing weight. So, if you find this video helpful, make sure to share with friends, with family, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon